So my task in this role play would be explained to a patient who is a teenager
Thank you.
about good oral hygiene habits. So, Nikki, tell me, how do you brush your teeth?
From left to right, how do I have to brush my teeth? Is there a certain way?
First of all, you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day. So in the morning, after you've had your breakfast and you go off to school or to work or wherever it is you're going. And then in the evening, before you go to bed, making sure, of course, that you don't eat anything after you have brushed them.
Okay.
The best toothbrush to use is one with a small head so that you can get to the back of the teeth or to the back of the mouth. And it's good to use a fluoride-rich toothpaste because fluoride is a mineral which makes your teeth stronger and makes them more resistant to tooth decay, which is what we want.
How long do I have to brush my teeth for?
Well, it depends. As long as you brush all the surfaces of your teeth and you spend a good few seconds on each area. Yeah. A good way of brushing your teeth is not to do this with your toothbrush or this, because this will only hurt your gums and it won't actually remove any of the deposits which are on your teeth. So what you have to do is you have to put your brush at 45 degrees to the teeth and go around in small circular movements. Also, a good technique of doing it is when you hold the brush in the same way and then just flick away. So you go from the gum downwards so that you're not hurting the gum.
Thank you.
Okay. Also, do you use anything else besides a toothbrush?
No, why should I?
Oh yes, definitely. So you have to use floss. Every evening you have to floss between the teeth because teeth are quite close together, so food usually gets stuck between the teeth, and this is usually where tooth decay starts forming. So what you have to do with a piece of floss, you have to clean or you have to floss between the teeth. Or if you're not comfortable using floss, you can use little interdental brushes. So they're like little bottle brushes with colored handles. You can find these in any high street pharmacy. And with these little brushes, you go between each tooth and you remove all the food and plaque which is stuck between your teeth.
And I should do that every day?
You should do that every day. Let's say once a day before you go to bed.
Can I not just use mouthwash?
No, mouthwash is good because mouthwash contains fluoride, which again will strengthen your teeth, or it can contain some other chemical like alcohol, for example, which is very good for killing the bacteria which are in your mouth, so it will keep your gums healthy. But using mouthwash will not really remove all that food which is stuck between your teeth. It will help, I'm not saying not, but you still have to go in then and manually remove whatever is between your teeth. So it's very, very important.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, or you can use an electric toothbrush if you have one. Again, it's very good because it tells you how long you have to spend. To answer your question on how long you have to spend, the electric toothbrush will tell you how long, and then after it buzzes or beeps or flashes or something, you'll be able to move on to the next group of teeth.
Okay.
So either of those is good as long as you do it regularly and you're doing it properly. Okay, and I can give you something which will help you see if you've done a good job. It's something called a disclosing tablet. It's very, very useful because all you do is you chew it and then you spit it out and rinse your mouth, and it will stay in your teeth, or it will stay in the areas of your teeth which need to be cleaned better.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so brushing your teeth and keeping your teeth and gums clean is very important, but you also have to make sure that your diet is correct. I'm sure you like chocolate and fizzy drinks, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, we all do. So I won't say to you, give it up completely, but I would say try to keep it to a minimum, yeah? Or if you're going to have a chocolate, have it together with your meal. Or if you're having a fizzy drink, maybe rinse your mouth afterwards, because the sugar and the acids which are in the fizzy drinks, they're not good for your teeth and they can cause a lot of problems and they can cause tooth decay.
Okay.